What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I had a little bit of a strange one. It's the first time in a while I've had, actually I think ever, this particular scenario. I'm working on an ICP commercial unit, and it's got the two compressors, right? Two outdoor fan motors, big old indoor blower motor, and you know, they call that, you know, the space is not, it's not cooling, sorry, it's not heating. Correction, it's not heating. So I get up here, I put my probes in, and I'm like, okay, you know, things working or things not working because it's got 2-degree split. I put my probes on both of the compressors, right? And still neither one is off. Right, or sorry, neither one of the pressures is off. Like both of the pressures seemed, you know, within specifications. And I took this off, but I'll explain to you why I took that off. But so, you know, I was out here wondering, like, what the heck is going on? You know, I was like, pressures are good, refrigerant charge is good, temperature split is crap. You know, outdoor fan is working. Everything was working, apparently, right? Apparently. So then I'm like, wait a minute, you know, could it be that the one unit is kicking on one of the compressors and cooling and heating? Well, I came over here and I feel one of these fans is cold, the other one was hot, and I'm like, what the heck, something is not right. So I ended up coming over here and turn this power on. Ended up coming over here and I start touching, you know, the line, the 7/8 line coming from the indoor coil, which right now in heating mode should be boiling hot, you know, and this one of course was boiling hot. And I'm like, okay, that's normal. And I come over here to this one and it's cold as ice. So I'm like, okay, so this reversing valve is stuck in the cooling mode. I tried banging on it, you know, tried doing what I could do. It wouldn't, you know, it wouldn't get unstuck and kick over into heating mode. So what I did, because that's what the problem was, and now it's turning on, right? So both the compressors kick on in heating mode. So I touch this one, boiling hot, right? This one, cold as ice. So I'm like, oh man, you know, this reversing valve is bad. So just to kind of, you know, add a little bit of the reason what I took this off was to turn off this second compressor over here. To turn this second compressor on. So it's not working anymore at the moment. And then I started looking at my temperature split. And what do you think, of course, is going on with my temperature split? It immediately starts to go up. See that? So you may ask yourself, like, oh, maybe the reversing valve is, you know, energized and cooling. Well, no, it's not. I already checked my voltage on this one and that one, and neither one of them has 24 volts. That's because Carrier energizes their reversing valve most of the time in cooling. In the heating cycle, they do not have any voltage at the reversing valve. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Again, this thing was boiling hot, you know, because it's coming from the indoor coil. That's normal. This one was ice cold. So that's why my temperature split was just balancing itself out. And now that I unplugged this compressor, right, you can see that my temperature split is slowly starting to rise. You know, it'll probably get to 10 or so, maybe 15. But yeah, that's pretty much what was going on, y'all. All right, well, that's pretty much it. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I hope this helps HVAC technicians out there. And if you got some value, share it with a friend, like it, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.